Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing our infamous savings challenge stuffing. Again, we are scuffing. Lord Jesus, if I can talk. Today we are cash stuffing our savings challenges. This book is available at baddiesandbudgets.com if you are interested in following along or just doing the challenges at your own pace. There are several different challenges in here for 7 different things. So check it out. It's also available in A6 size, which will fit inside of your normal binder size envelopes. I don't sell them hole punched just because it's too much, but I do offer them printed so that you can laminate them at home if you want or whatever. Okay, I'm not totally sure if I've introduced this one yet. It's a newer one in my collection. If I have, forgive me, but this one is Ariana Grande. I believe it's called Sweet Like Candy, and it's a really girly scent. The bottle is super cute. Doesn't last long, it doesn't hold long, it's not super expensive, but it's a really fun spray. Alright, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so welcome to all my new people. There are lots of new subbies. I know a ton of y'all come over from TikTok. Y'all come over from Instagram. I recommend my channel to a lot of people who want to get started cash stuffing. And keep in mind that this part of the journey is, I've been doing this for about 6 months now, and I'm just able to really start doing these challenges super heavy like this. So if you see it, please don't feel intimidated. I've definitely worked my way up to being able to do these challenges. Don't feel like you need to do the same amount as me, do it the same speed as me, go at your own pace. Your journey is your own, sis. Okay. We are all here to win, even if it's slowly but surely. Winning is winning, all right? So, first up in our challenges, we have our $10 challenge, and I've actually already completed this one once, and I haven't even taken the time to print me out a new sheet, so I'm going to use this smaller sheet here today, just because it's erasable, and I'll go back and print me out another sheet. But today, we are going to be adding, turn my brightness up. We are going to be adding $40. Oh Lord, let me get it together. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to figure out how much cash I needed. So we're going to be adding $40 to our $10 challenge today. So what we do is just color in the lips. Ooh, this looks terrible. You can hardly even see it. That's not satisfying at all. And I know y'all like to watch me color it in. Hold on. I've got a solution. Alright, so we just color in our lips here, and this is a really easy one. This whenever I first started, I just used any leftover tins in my wallet for the week. Just if during your week you come across tins and you want to set those aside for this challenge, do it that way. If you just want to wait until some tins make their way to your wallet, there's no set time. It's just, you know, a simple way to save. So we have 40 there. And we have our envelope here, the color coding, if you don't notice. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And I have hundreds in here because, again, I finished this challenge and I didn't want to keep all those tens. It was too much. So we have $40 in our challenge. Just in case anybody was wondering, it's actually $5.40, but for the sake of it matching up with our tracker, we'll say 40. Okay. So our balance here is $40. So next up is our Christmas challenge. And this challenge I set in place for people who were trying to get $1,000 by Christmas time. You can still absolutely join in and just go at your own pace. No rush. We still have plenty of time. I think 13 weeks or so till Christmas. So even if you don't complete the whole challenge, it'll still really put some money in your pocket for Christmas time, Black Friday time, whatever. So this week we are adding $65. So 50, 65. And y'all, while these envelopes aren't available, I did purchase some envelopes just to coordinate with the savings challenges. They're really cute, have really cute decorations on them. And I'm going to start using those when they get here. I know y'all like to use what I use, so we'll all have those. They're really super cute. I can't wait. So that you can have a full set. 100, 200, 3, 354, 420, 430, 435. So we now have $435 in Christmas. Okay. Alrighty, so next up is self-care, and this challenge was made just so you can be sure that you are taking care of yourself throughout this challenge. Some of you are luxury people, you like luxury items, and so this just provides you an outlet to still stay within your budget while, you know, you still treat yourself. So we're adding 40 here. So today we're going to color in the blow dryer, and this has levels, right? So the first level up there is to reach 100, and then you decide if you want to keep going or go ahead and spend your money, and you just go around and around until you get to 500 and, you know, start it over. So we're adding $40 to our self-care challenge. So we're going to grab two 20s here, and our new total: 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 275. So we are well on our way to that $300 mark, and if you have been paying attention, you know that I'm trying to make it to $500 because there's a fragrance that I want called Bond Number 9, and it's really pricey. So I'm saving for that. So what did I just say I had on self-care? Too busy running my mouth, can't remember. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 75, 275. I have the short-term memory of like a goldfish. Side effect of ADHD. Okay, so in our emergency challenge, we're going to be adding 95, but I'm going to be coloring number 70, number 15, and number 10. So this was created for literally your emergency fund, sinking fund. I feel like it's so important to at least have $1,000 in there because life happens. And to avoid being like completely thrown off of budgeting, I wanted you to have $1K in a fund. So if your tire blows and you have to buy a new tire, or you get hospitalized and you can't work for a week and you don't have a check, like, it's just so many things that could happen. And so to avoid being completely, sorry y'all, that's in order in my shop, completely devastated by emergencies, we want to have that emergency fund. That's the first thing I learned when I joined this community, and it has been vital in my success with budgeting. So that's why this challenge was created, and we are adding $95 here. So 50, 70, 95. And again, if you don't want to wait for the savings challenge binders that I have coming, you can go on and get you some custom zippered envelopes made and just put the savings challenges as the titles. I've made some of those and they're really cute. 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 300, 305. So we now have 305 in our emergency challenge. Really happy with that. Okay, so next we are going to move on to our 52-week $5,000 challenge, and this week we are coloring number 75, number 100, and number 90. And this was one of the first challenges I started. Actually, it was a version of this, but it was only like, I think the end goal was like $1,300 or $1,400, and it's so humbling to go back and look at those videos because that felt like such a big number for me. Like, I was in such a bad place financially that I felt like there's no way I'm ever gonna finish that. Like, and to see where I am now, it's really humbling. I try to go back often and watch those older videos on my channel to remind myself where I've come from and to keep me on track. So we're doing a 100, 50, 75, and 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 175, and 90. Let me make sure I did that right. 100, 75, F90. Okay. So let me get this organized. All right, so this is going in our 52-week challenge. So I know I say so all the time and I hate it, but I keep saying it. So I guess, you know, just meant to be. All right. Our total here is now 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 20, 40, 60, 75. So $4,675 in this 52-week challenge. There we go. All right. So last but not least, I decided I'm going to save the 1K challenge for the new year. The 10K challenge for the new year because I already have so much going on, and I am going to just try to complete this 100 envelope challenge again. So with that being said, we're going to close this up. We're actually going to do our other challenge first, okay? So this week in our Save With Baddie challenge, let's go see how many likes our last savings challenge video got. So if you can look in here, you see that this past week's video got 9.6K views. And as of today, it has 1K likes. So y'all must have wanted to put some money away this week, honey. All right. So on week 2 of Save With Baddie, what color did I use? A pink. Okay, so week 2, we got, disregard the 10K, it should have just been 100 up to 1,000. So we're going to do the 10 here. And we are going to add $10. So you should be circling or coloring in the 10 on your form and adding $10 to your challenge. Because remember, we are doing this together. So we should now have $16 in this challenge. Okay. Small, but it doesn't matter. It's going to add up. Watch. Okay. So that's everything on our iPad here. We are going to get to work on our 100 envelope challenge. So the first envelope we chose this week was 7. Okay, so we're going to grab a 5 and a $2 bill. And if you haven't caught it already, I did complete this challenge in 100 days. There is a unstuffing video on my channel if you want to go watch that. Next up is 12. So 10, 11, 12. Yeah, y'all, that 10K challenge is going to be a stretch, and I don't want to be doing that around the holidays. I'm just going to be honest, I don't. I'm doing some pretty cool things for my kids this year, so I don't want to feel obligated to do that with all the other stuff I have going on. Next up is number 25. And remember, I pick 7 envelopes a week, so it's pretty much like I'm picking an envelope every day. So hopefully we can get this done in time for Christmas. We'll see. So yeah, there's our $25. And you guys can join in anytime. You can go as slow as you want to on this challenge. If you want to do 1 envelope a week, 1 envelope a month, it doesn't matter. Just whenever you finish it, you'll have $5,000 there. Don't feel like you have to rush. Everything at your own pace. Because none of our lives are the same. None of our situations are the same. 41. And I know a lot of you guys are new budgeters. So savings challenges may be back burner. That may be more important for you. Or whatever. That's 41. Do what works for you and your family. That's the only way you'll be successful. Is if you do things your own way. I came onto YouTube and I've been completely myself, and it's just worked out flawlessly for me. So 50, 2, 3, 4. $54 here. I'm trying to do good about, remember to color in the boxes, y'all, because y'all know how I get. 54. And our last one is number 61. So 50, 55, 60, 61. Okay. And so our 7 envelopes for this week are filled in. So if you're here, you're with me at the beginning. So today is 9/11/21, I believe. I think that's the date. It's either 11th or 12th. And we've got our first 7 envelopes done. Okay. So we're good to go. All right. So I have a few dollars left here. What I'm going to do is add those into my $1 and $5 savings challenges. And these are just for any leftover money you have. I'm gonna put the 2 in here. I'll get change for it later. Any leftover money you have while cash stuffing out of your cash envelopes during the week. If you make a sale on the side or something. It's just a simple way to save. Alrighty, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You are publicly subscribed to my channel. I'm currently working on my 10K giveaway, and it's only for people who have been publicly subscribed, who are active in the comment section, who are liking my videos. So make sure you join in. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Okay, so if you've made it, no. So I'm going to insert this clip somewhere in the video. What I want to do is give away a digital download of my savings challenge trackers. So down in the comments, make sure you leave me lots of comments, but guess my height, and the first person to get it correct, I will get in contact with you and send you over a digital copy of the savings challenges.